as a family members, we all sit before the dining table and we all have food, right? While having food, if you notice that if someone is missing, what do? We'll immediately leave the food there and we'll go and inquire what happened, right? We go there and we ask them, what happened, honey? Why you haven't come today to have food? And they'll give several reasons saying that I'm upset today, I'm sick, no, I don't want to have food. But what do? We force them, no honey, don't do that. Please come and have food. That's our human nature, right? If someone is not having food, what do? We go and ask them to come and have food, right? Now, I would like to ask you a question. If someone in your family did not have food, you will go and request them to have food, right? Have you ever thought that even God is in hunger? We think only about our hunger, but we never think that even God is burning with hunger. He needs food. And if you ask me, what is the food that we can offer it to God is, we can see the answer in the book of John chapter 4 verse 34, where Jesus said to them, my food is to do the will of him who sent me and to finish his work. Jesus said, my food is to do the will of one who sent me. I have to finish the work. God has given a work to me and I have to finish that. I have to accomplish that work. See, doing the will of God is to satisfy his hunger. Jesus' greatest delight is to satisfy the hunger of God. He always used to do the will of God. That's why every day he used to roam all over the villages and he used to proclaim the gospel, because he needs to save the soul. When he does that, he is fulfilling the will of the God the Father. Now I'm asking you, are you giving that food to God? Are you satisfying his hunger? When you're having food, have you ever thought, without doing the will of God, I'm having this food? Who gave you that food? It is God, right? It is God who has given that food to us. We eat and we satisfy our hunger. But what about God, who will satisfy his hunger? It is you, my dear friend. It's a Christian duty to satisfy the God's hunger. What are you doing in the ministry? It's your responsibility that you need to fulfill the God's work. You need to go and proclaim the gospel. You need to build the church. I'm not talking about the church that is built with sand and bricks. No, I'm talking about the church of the temple of God, which is the body. You need to save the souls and build the kingdom of God. It's your duty and it's your responsibility. When you do that, you satisfy the God's hunger. You're giving food to God and he eats that fruit which you bear it. You need to bear fruits, my dear friends. Just think, what are you doing for the ministry? Are you fulfilling the ministry that God has given you? Are you fulfilling the duties and responsibilities that God has given you? See, if someone doesn't eat food in your family, you go and ask them and you please them to come and have food, right? But have you ever thought about God like that? Have you ever thought God is not having the food? He doesn't want your offerings, but he wants you to do the will of God. You're thinking that if I give money, that's more than enough. No, God doesn't need your money. He wants you to do his will. His will is to save the souls and you need to run for it. You need to go forward and proclaim the gospel so that you can satisfy the hunger of God. My dear friends, please try to bear fruit which could satisfy the God's hunger. If you cannot do that, why you are in ministry then? If you cannot do the will of God, you don't have any right to eat the food that God has given you. Yes, you don't have any right to eat the food that God has given you. Every day when I'm having food, you know what I feel? If I don't do his will, I don't feel like eating. I have that in my heart. I have an agony. Hey, how can I eat this food without doing his will? Everyone as a Christian, they should have this in their heart, God is sick. He's weary. He has a heart attack. And the only solution that we have is we need to fulfill His will. My dear friends, God has created everything in the nature for man. We see everything in the nature and we eat everything. We satisfy our hunger. But what about God? We need to think about God. We need to satisfy His hunger. So strive hard to satisfy His hunger.